All right, first things first, a big congratulations to the engineering team. You guys crushed the A1 meeting. So what camera do you have for me today?
Sir, we stayed up all night for this. We have a brand new cinema camera. I call it the FX3.
All right. Oh, yes, yes. Guys, look at this. That color combo, it's beautiful. Ah, audio. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. Doesn't really feel like a cinema camera though.
Oh, that's because this other camera company made something similar and it sold really, really well. So we were like, we should do one. And so, da-da-da, the thing that's in your hand.
Can I ask what company?
You know we can't say that word around here, sir. But you know what we can say is it rhymes with schmanin.
Okay, we copied Canon with this?
No.
Whatever, follow the money, right? Tell me what makes this camera so great.
So the first feature is a 10.2 megapixel full frame sensor.
Oh, that's great. That's a great feature. That means this thing's gonna be amazing in low light. A beast in low light. Marketing, write that down. Beast in low light.
Oh, sir, it's so great in low light. Do you want to try it? I can turn the lights off.
Nah, honestly, I prefer if we didn't.
Oh, no, let's do it. Sir, can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. Can we put the lights back on?
Sure. What do you think?
Yes, it's great in low light. Can you not, please? Does it take photos?
I mean, sir, we can do that if you'd like.
Yes, definitely throw it in there. You know, a little bonus feature for everybody. The cinema camera that can shoot photos. Okay, what else do we got?
So the next feature is 5-axis in-body stabilization.
5, yes. I mean, we've already been doing it, but it's better than 4. Am I right, everybody? Okay, this is gonna be good for handheld shooters, right?
Oh, yes, sir. They're great for handheld.
Okay, great. Well, here's a situation for you. What if I'm on a boat?
A boat? Oh, sir, no problem. Stable.
Great. Okay, what if I'm on a horse?
A horse? Oh, you'd still be stable, sir. No pun intended.
All right, I got a big one for you here. What if I'm on a horse that's on a boat?
Oh, this is the exact scenario we were planning for, sir. That's why we created active mode. It's essentially stabilization on top of stabilization with a 10% crop.
You're telling me I could be stabilizing while I'm already stable?
You're gonna be all like, oh, I'm so stable, thanks active mode.
Oh, I love it. This is the perfect camera for my equestrian cruise.
Sir, you live such an exotic lifestyle.
Okay, what else do we have?
Okay, next feature is 4K 10-bit 422 color, sir.
Yeah, I get it. A1, A7S stuff. Is anyone else distracted by this guy's hair over here?
Haven't taken a single note.
Sir, my hair? Are you talking about me?
You got like a dinger pretty much everywhere.
It's a dinger.
Okay, I'm gonna help you out. Here, use the styling product.
Oh, sir. Blue Man. I love the Blue Man group. They're in the hair game now?
You realize they're bald, right? And it's Blue Mon, not Blue Man. They're different things.
Sir, you're so observant.
So here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 fingers and you're gonna get a dime size amount. You're gonna start from the back forward and it's gonna look great.
Okay.
Think you can do it?
1 second. Oh, sir, 1 second. I'll be right back.
Oh, yes. Looking sharp, my man. I love it. Just love it.
Sir, this stuff is wonderful. Where can I purchase it?
Where you pretty much get everything in 2021. Online. I actually found out about it from this YouTuber named Chris Howe. That guy used to have the best hair, but anyways, I used his coupon code HOW on checkout and I saved myself 10%.
I mean, this must be why you look so hot all the time, sir.
What?
So, next feature is S-Cinetone.
S-Cinetone, really? Okay. You realize that like all I care about and what I think other people care about is the dynamic range with S-Log. Do you have any sample footage I can see? Oh, yes, sir. I have some right here. There we go. All right.
Now I work for Sony, and I've got this boss. I want him to know I think he's so hot. Now I work for Sony, and I've got this boss. He is everything I'm not.
Guys, this footage looks amazing. Can we talk about the highlight roll-off? And how about the details in the shadows, am I right? Did you notice anything else? That's pretty much it. Footage is bomb. I love it. Is this true 15 stops at dynamic range?
Yes, sir. It's 15 stops.
Okay, anything else?
Sir, you might have noticed there's this really cool removable top handle so you can film. And right on the top here is our audio department. And it takes both 1/4-inch male and male XLR cables.
What about the female audio cables?
Sir, that's not how that works.
Well, that's what society has perpetuated for thousands of years. Guys, it's time to unlearn the way that we think about gender roles when it comes to audio cables.
You're so progressive, sir. And now the creme de la creme. Actually, you know what this moment needs? A drum roll. We're gonna do it.
Do we have to?
Trust me, sir, it's gonna be worth it.
Come on.
Can you feel the anticipation? Almost there. Flippy screen.
Hey, flippy screen.
And you'd be so proud of me. I took a feature away. Guys, he's learning. Where's the viewfinder? Can't find it because I took it away. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Dad.
So, are we doing 8K this time?
I mean, we could.